Hey guys, this website is one online tool that I like to use to identify mushrooms. It's very easy to use. It is created by scientists from Denmark. So if it pops up in Danish, you're just going to click the little world here and make it English. So I just wanted to give a little tutorial here. And keep in mind that AI isn't perfect, so a human's judgment is really helpful to determine which mushroom species is best when you see the list of matches that the AI brings up. But without further ado, let's get started. You're going to choose picture. I get the photos from my phone, when I'm out there hiking, take pictures on my cell phone. I just email them to myself and then download the attachment onto my laptop so we can pull them up on this website. So click on the photo that you want to identify, open it up. And then it's going to populate on the right side of the page here a list of a couple different mushroom species that look similar to this one. Number one, you can look at just the photo themselves and kind of visually compare what looks the most similar, kind of scroll down and go through them. Another thing that I like on this website, though it isn't always accurate, is this little bar is the AI kind of letting you know what it thinks is the most likely match. So the darker gray is just the percentage match here. So this is what the AI thinks is the best match here. I'm not really so sure about that. Another way we can get more information is by clicking on each species and to learn a little more about them. Underneath the photo is going to be a description. These descriptions are helpful in that you're going to get a little bit more size and color description, but they can be a little intimidating with the sciencey words. Maybe we don't understand, but that's okay. This is just to have fun, to get out in nature and practice using those observation skills to notice new things. So just kind of exploring the website, looking around. We can look at a few different species here and maybe make our best judgment what we think this mushroom is. This photo looks a lot more similar to me, to the photo I took, than this top one of the milking bonnet. And sometimes, you just don't get a perfect ID, but let's choose one more here that I think we will get a perfect ID on. So this is the photo that I uploaded, and then over here we get our list. This mushroom is pretty difficult to mistake. It's very unique in its appearance, and the website is showing us this top photo is almost 100% likely to be its match. I would agree as an amateur mushroom identifier that this mushroom is a fly agaric, which is one of the most poisonous mushrooms out there. But again, we can just show species and read a little bit more about it. So have fun using this website. It is really cool to explore, enjoy, and happy identifying.